Hi there, students. That was really big of you. It was really big of him to do that. So if we use this phrase, something was big of someone, this says that this action was generous, it was kind, it was good, it was honourable. Okay, so it was very big of you to come back and apologise and say that everything was your fault, because it was. It was very big of him to give his brother all of the money that he had. Okay, so if something is big of someone, it's generous, it's kind, or it's forgiving. So it was very big of you to forgive him when he behaved like that to you. Yeah? It was very big of him not to feel any hard feelings, although his friend had done some terrible things. Yeah? It needs to be very big of a person to forgive those who have wronged them in the past. So, generous, kind, forgiving. Notice as well, though, often we can use this very sarcastically, disapprovingly. I asked him for some money and he gave me 50 pence. That was really big of him. Okay, this is sarcastic. It's saying it wasn't generous at all. Yeah, I asked him if he would help me, and he said yes, he could spare me a minute tomorrow. That was really big of him. Yeah. Okay, so if something is big of someone, it's used to say that they're very kind, they're very generous, they're very helpful, they're very honourable, or to say that sarcastically and mean the absolute opposite of it. So yeah, I like this idea. It was very big of you to apologise to her. Yeah, apologising to people is not easy. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, it was very big of him to lend me his car, especially as it meant he had to take the bus home, but he knew I really needed it. Okay, so if something is big of someone, they're being a good person. They're doing the right thing, even though it's difficult. Yeah, in the face of difficulty, something difficult to do. I thought it was very big of him to admit that he had actually taken the cake from my mum's fridge when she thought it was me and she blamed me. It was very big of him to own up. Okay, so you can use it either positively or negatively. Yeah, it was very big of you to lend me your house for the weekend while you were away. Yeah, because it was wonderful to stay there because you got such a wonderful house. Okay, so you can use it either straightforwardly or you can use it sarcastically. How big of you to give me the chair at the head of the table. Yeah, how generous of you when it's your place. Yeah, how big of you to save the worst seat for me, sarcastically. Yeah, so you can use it both ways, magnanimous or sarcastically, saying not magnanimous, not generous. Yeah. So that was really big of you. If I had more enemies like that, I'd still be better off. Okay, so if something is big of someone, how big of you? I think this is on the informal side. I think I'd give it 4 informality. Use it in an informal conversation, in a semi-formal conversation. In a semi-formal writing, maybe just about, but no more. And then as to origin, well, they've got a big heart or a big character. Yeah, it's a big person, not some little unimportant person. This is a person of real character. So something, it was big of him to do that. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To be big of someone.